The remainder theorem says if you divide a polynomial by a factor, whatever your remainder is the same if you plug into the polynomial that value. So I'm going to evaluate this polynomial function by using the remainder theorem, and to do that I got to do synthetic division. So my first step, I'm going to check, see if I have all the powers. So I have 5, I have 3, I have 2, I have 0. So I'm missing 4. So I need to rewrite the polynomial function with all the powers. So I'm going to keep x to the 5th. I don't have any x to the 4th, so I'm going to make it 0x to the 4th. And then minus 2x cubed minus x squared. I have no linear term, so I'm going to put 0x. And then I have plus 2. Now I have all the powers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I am finding the value p of 3. I'm not finding a 0. So I'm not going to divide by negative 3 in synthetic division. I'm just going to divide by 3. So here's the difference. In the remainder theorem, if it says find p of 3, I'm going to use 3. I'm not going to make it a 0. I'm not going to make it an opposite. So I'm going to use my coefficients. So I have 1 from right here. And I have 0. I have negative 2. I have negative 1. I have 0. I have 2. And I'm going to do the same process. I am going to bring the first number straight down. So here's my 1. And then I'm going to multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to add these two. 0 plus 3 is 3. And repeat the process again. So I'm going to go 3 times 3 is 9. So negative 2 plus 9 is 7. So I'm just going to repeat. 3 times 7 is 21. I'm going to add these. Negative 1 plus 21 is 20. I'm going to repeat it. 3 times 20 is 60. 60 plus 0 is 60. So I'm going to multiply. 3 times 60 is 180. Plus 2 is 182. So that means p of 3, if I plugged it into the equation, if I did this on my calculator, I would get 182. Much easier to use the remainder theorem. And you're much more likely to get it correct than plug it into your calculator.